Okay guys, I just want to give you a show of this little screwdriver that I bought from the pound shop for a whole £1. Now it says a DIY anytime with Tommy Walsh. It's a 31-piece set and it comes in a little holder like this, and it's a fine precision screwdriver set. So you unscrew the top basically, take the top off, and inside it is all different types of Allen keys, crosshead screwdrivers, flathead screwdrivers, all different sorts, little pins, punchers, Allen key. I say there's all everything you'd need really. The little crosshead ones, everything apart from the security tools, I think. But anyway, for £1, who cares? It's a little screwdriver, has the old magnetic pieces, and it's rather nice. For £1, I don't think it's bad at all. Definitely worth £1. I say, you know, when you're doing your little, I don't know, watch batteries or something like that, fiddly things that need little screwdrivers, this is perfect. You've got all the different sizes. Say for £1, can't go wrong. So, worth a look.